Camping adventures. Percy Priest Lake, this is Josh.
Doing it.
We're gonna kayak out to Bear Island. We're waiting for Jack O'Shea. We'll be here in a couple hours. We're gonna go have some adventures in the woods and probably get a bunch of ticks on us and stuff. You ready, Josh?
Yeah, I think so.
Let's go. Trash bag full of stuff. About halfway across. It's really pretty out today. Kind of hot, but don't mind it. Boom, cheers. This is the spot. Set up camp now. Jack O'Shea has arrived.
We'll see if I can do this correctly.
Welcome to Bear Island.
I'm gonna do some camping. I'm gonna camp with some camping equipment. Probably gonna sleep out here while we're camping. We'll have some fire at the camping and pretty much camping at our camping trip for camping.
Just camping, that's all. That's all we're doing. It's going well.
There will be camp.
There will be camp.
Oh shit, there's a ton.
Uh-oh. Ants! Got set up here. Got a cool little bug net to go over my hammock, which is pretty fun. I think I'm wearing an appropriate shirt for being kind of in the woods. Yeah, this is my spot for the night. Josh is over here in this cool little tent, little one-man tent. He's also set up like a nice lounge hammock over the water. Got a fire pit here, which we won't need till dark, but it's gonna be nice.